Do you have a customer or client that says they're not getting a form that you're sending them? That's very common. There are some email companies that will block emails coming in. So what you can do is you can go here to your forms, and as you see, I have sent this one before, and they haven't responded because they said they never got it. So what I need to do then is hit resend the link, and when I do that, it will generate a new link for this that I can copy. So I'm going to hit copy link, and by doing that, now I can send that to the client in other forms. So I could send it by a personal email to them through your agency email. You could send it by Facebook Messenger. You could put it in a text, any way that they can use that link then and paste it into their browser. And here's what that link looks like. And of course, each one will be generated differently depending on the form on the client that you're sending to. So by giving them this link and allowing them to put it into their browser, then they're going to be able to respond to that form that you're wanting to get from them.